Hey, what's up, traders? Wanted to go over one of a good moving stock from last week. It's Apps Digital Turbine, APPS, and we see after earnings. What was this day? Let's look at the bottom. That was Thursday, right? So it had a great move on Thursday, then pulled back a little bit, then went back up to make new highs on Friday. So if you missed the trade on Thursday, you could have got back in at the beginning of Friday to take advantage of this move right here. Let's see. Went from about 70 to 88, and Friday you could have got it from about 77 to 88. If we look at the daily chart, if you want to try to scan for some of these yourself, let's see, that's a daily chart. So what you can see is it gapped up here, and we don't have volume here, but the volume spiked up on that day. Let's try another. So we'll just add the volume here. Where is it? Volume off, volume on, draw a chart. This is barchart.com. All right, so we'll look at the 3-month daily chart. You see right here, that's a spike right there. So when you see a huge spike, stock go up on big volume, that's when you got to pay attention. And then if you want it, that's usually a great sign to go long. Maybe not that day, but the next day or from days after that. So if you missed the first boom, next day also had a good volume day. You could have bought it at the open and sell it near the close, which is also a good sign when the close is near the top. But since we're above the Bollinger Band, it means it will pull back first before it goes back up. So let's go back to the 5-day, 30-minute chart. And if we look at, so this was like a 25% move here. Second day was about 15% move. If you look at the options that expire on the 19th, February 19th is next week. Then could have got in on Thursday, right after earnings announcement, about 250 to 750, right? And if you missed that day, you could have got the next day about 4, went to as high as about from $4 to, which is 400, to about 1,050. So on the first move, that was from Thursday to Friday, that was 320%. On the second day, from 4 to 10, that's about 162%. Realistically, if you would have gotten half of that, then you would have been in great shape. So good luck today. Have a great day, and see you tomorrow.